Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to change from your ringtone to vibration mode of your WhatsApp video or voice call in an Android phone. So let's do it together. Now this is the ringtone that I got when I receive a call. I'll go to the settings now by clicking on top 3 dot on right side and tap on notifications and scroll it down to calls, where you will get option of calls where it has two options, ringtone and vibrate. So I'll click on vibrate and I will put it to off. If it is off, I will have to on it, and it can be short or long vibration, right? So two things happen. Let's receive a call right now. So I got a call and I can still hear the ringtone. So how do we remove it? How can we make sure that it is vibrating only? So I'll go to the notifications again in the settings option, and I'll go to scroll it down and make sure that the ringtone is silent. So that is what you have to do, and this is how you will make sure that the call you're receiving is only on vibrate, and this is just for WhatsApp and no other app. So make sure, if you want it for other apps as well, you check other videos. And yeah, that's how we do it. See you in the next video. Ta-da.